Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create a very basic clickable slide deck for your students. That's digital content that you could use and embed into that Wiser platform. So I will start by sharing my screen again. Okay, so here is my drive. We recognize that. I want to click New, and I'm going to click Google Slides. I always delete this first slide unless I want to use this format. Maybe you want to use one of these formats. I can demonstrate with that, but you can also do it with just a blank slide. So if I wanted to use this format, which we can just try, or it could be blank, it can be super bare bones, and maybe I want to do sight words. So I'm just going to write any words. So maybe it is any thing. And I'm deleting that. So I just clicked it and hit delete. Now I'm gonna do a new slide. So I can click new slide. I can hit Control M, that's the shortcut. Or just click add and it makes a new slide. And I could hit and say tomorrow. And I don't actually like this format. So I'm going to delete both these slides because I don't like using these pre-made formats. I like to create my own thing and I will just make it blank, okay? So I want a new blank slide. And this one is black. I want to put a text box on it. I'm going to put my text box here. And I am going to make my font large. So I'm going to make it something like 72. And I'm going to say, and I have to change the color of my text. It's coming in black. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to change it to white. So it shows up, Tomorrow. Okay. Here I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate my slide. So I don't have to do any more work on that. And however many words you have. So I might do duplicate, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. Maybe I have 8 words I want to use. Duplicate, right click, duplicate, okay? So then I go back in here and I will change the text. I will say yesterday. This one I will say anything. This one I will say DELICIOUS. And this one I will say and I will just put these all have a different, so you double click to highlight it when you click on the letters and do that. Okay, so now I have this slide deck here. And then we're gonna do the same thing we did before where we publish this. So we hit File, Publish to the Web, Embed. And we can start this slideshow as soon as the player loads if we want to just start playing every 3 seconds. And we will hit Publish. Okay. I'm going to hit Control C to get that code. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go down to Embed. And I'm going to go to hit Control V to paste. And there is my slideshow. And see how I had it start automatically? It's just going every 3 seconds. You can change it to every 5 seconds. You can change it to every 10 seconds, your choice. You can make it a minute. If I want to go faster, I just click on it. So that is how you can create your own slide deck with words. You can also, where are we at here? Okay. So here, I believe, is where you can add, insert audio. And so you could do voiceovers, but I don't think that's necessary. You can just do something like this to get your vocabulary words, sight words, maybe spelling word practice in a quick format and embed it right into your Wiser platform. So I'm going to stop sharing and I will make our next how-to.